Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 1st, 2025, and we're diving into Eversource Energy's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Eversource Energy, a major player in New England's energy delivery system, has just released their Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Eversource Energy reported earnings of $352.7 million for the second quarter of 2025, with an EPS of 96. This is a slight increase from last year's 95 cents per share. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
It's a positive sign. The increase in earnings and EPS indicates that Eversource is maintaining steady growth. The first half of 2025 also shows strong performance with earnings of $903.5 million, up from $857.2 million in the first half of 2024. This growth is driven by improvements across their business segments.
Segment performance breakdown. Can you break down the performance of Eversource's different segments for us?
Absolutely. The electric transmission segment earned $208 million, up from $189 million last year, thanks to continued investments. The electric distribution segment also saw an increase, earning $161.5 million due to higher revenues from rate increases. The natural gas distribution segment earned $35.3 million, benefiting from rate increases in Massachusetts. Lastly, the water distribution segment earned $14.4 million, showing significant improvement from $8 million last year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Eversource's CEO, mentioned improvements in cash flow and balance sheet enhancements. How does this position the company for the future?
These improvements are crucial for Eversource's long-term strategy. By boosting cash flow and enhancing their balance sheet, they're better equipped to handle future investments and regulatory challenges. The company reaffirmed its 2025 EPS projection of $4.67 to $4.82 and expects a compound annual growth rate of 5 to 7% from a 2024 base, which is promising for investors.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 95 cents for this quarter. Eversource reported an EPS of 96 cents, slightly beating expectations. What does this mean for the company and its investors?
Beating the forecast, even by a small margin, is a positive indicator. It shows that Eversource is performing slightly better than expected, which can boost investor confidence. With 4 analysts surveyed, this beat suggests that the company is effectively managing its operations and financials.
Key takeaways. In summary, Eversource Energy has delivered a solid performance in Q2 2025, with an EPS of 96 cents, slightly beating the forecast. The company is on track with its 2025 projections and has shown improvements across all segments. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Eversource's steady growth and strategic focus make it a company to watch.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Eversource's performance in the comments below.